Welcome to the Soft Life script. The other day, I was brushing my teeth, practicing presence. I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. And then I looked up and saw mold on the ceiling. And I thought, really? How am I supposed to manifest a mansion when I'm staring at mold that only I will notice and only I will clean? I felt frustration rising, but I caught it because that's the choice. Stay in the frustration or reframe it. Cleaning isn't a punishment. It's a chance to shift energy. So here are the affirmations that I wrote for myself and for you to make bathroom cleaning part of our abundance practice. I am grateful for this bathroom that supports my health and comfort. Even though everyone else in this house is blind to dirt, I was gifted with the sight of cleanliness, and I'm grateful for that. Every scrub washes away old energy and makes space for fresh blessings. I honor the fact that I'm the only one who knows toilet paper goes on the roll and not next to it. A clean bathroom reflects a clear and abundant mind. I am grateful for my detective skills that always find toothpaste splatters no one else sees. I release frustration and invite peace as I clean. Every streak-free mirror is proof of my divine patience. This bathroom is a sanctuary I deserve. Mold and mess are temporary. My abundance is permanent. Every scrub strengthens both my biceps and my abundance mindset. Cleaning is not a punishment. It's self-care for my home and spirit. I celebrate that my cleaning playlist makes me feel like Beyonce on tour. I am grateful for clean water to wash, restore, and refresh. Every time I pick up hair that isn't mine, I remember that love is sacrifice. This bathroom shines with the same light within me. I deserve a sparkling, fresh environment. I am grateful for this bathroom that serves me daily. Every wipe and scrub is a step into abundance. A clean bathroom reflects a clear mind. I honor myself by keeping the space fresh. As I scrub this tub, I thank the universe that I don't need a hazmat suit today. I release frustration and invite peace as I clean. Mold and mess are temporary. My abundance is permanent. I choose gratitude over resentment. A fresh space attracts fresh energy. Every act of cleaning is a form of self-love. This space reflects my commitment to growth. As I clean, I create order and harmony. I reframe chores into rituals of gratitude. This bathroom radiates peace, purity, and abundance. I deserve to live in a clean, beautiful environment. Every corner I clean opens room for clarity. My home reflects my abundant mindset. I am grateful for the health this space supports. I clean with ease, grace, and gratitude. I bless this bathroom with love and energy. I am proud of the care I give my home. Every task is temporary. The energy I create lasts. I celebrate the abundance of having a space to clean. I release judgment of the mess and focus on gratitude. This bathroom shines with my light and intention. I transform frustration into peace and presence. So yeah, mold on the ceiling, toothpaste on the mirror, and hair that mysteriously multiplies. None of it means I'm failing at manifesting. It means I have a space to care for, a space to bless, and a space to transform. Every scrub, every wipe, every corner I clean is proof that I can reframe my reality into gratitude. And when I can do that here, I can do that anywhere. This bathroom is more than clean. It's abundant. Thank you for listening to the Soft Life script. As you opened your heart, these affirmations imprinted deeply into your subconscious. Your mind and your heart are now in harmony, carrying these truths forward. Remember, Every time you listen, the signal gets stronger. Every repetition makes the belief more natural, more effortless, more real. Take this energy with you as you rest, as you rise, and as you move through your day. This is your new reality, and so it is.